Most guys focus on their jawline or their body, but they ignore one feature that instantly makes you look more attractive and more masculine: your Adam's apple. It's small, but it changes everything. A defined Adam's apple gives your neck a sharper, stronger, and more masculine look. Think about it. Two photos of the same person, one with a barely visible Adam's apple, and one where it's clearly defined. Which one looks more confident, attractive, and masculine? Almost everyone chooses the second. That's why, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple, natural exercises you can do over the next 7 days to make your Adam's apple look more visible and more defined. Keep watching this video until the end. I promise it's worth it. First exercise, neck rotation. Follow along as I show you how to do it. Slowly rotate your neck left and right. Do this for 60 seconds, then take a 30-second rest. Repeat it 3 times. Second exercise, neck setup. Next, move your neck up and down in a controlled way. Perform this exercise for 60 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat it 3 times. Third exercise, neck stretching. Finally, follow along as I show you this neck stretch. Do it for 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat it 3 times. Doing these 3 simple exercises for just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Stay consistent, and within a week, you'll start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay consistent, and thanks for watching.